Breaking Bad voice impressions. Give me Walter White say my name.
You know who I am. You all know who I am. Now, say my name. Do what? I don't have a goddamn clue who the hell you are. Yes, you do. I'm the cook. I'm the man who killed Gus Fring. Bullshit. Cartel got Fring. You sure? Now, say my name. You're Heisenberg. You're goddamn right.
Give me Mike.
Come here, Walter.
Give me Gus Fring.
If there's anything I can do for you, please, don't hesitate to reach out to us.